Greetings, this is Jimmy, and today we're going to be exploring some of the top 100 uses and benefits of sodium percarbonate. And chances are, and if you haven't yet, go over to cleanbubbletech.com to get you a comprehensive guide to exploring the top 100 benefits of using sodium percarbonate. Now, this is a unique one. I'm not sure how many people are out there looking through their kitchen and cupboards and going, "Hey, Waffle, what are you doing over there? You haven't ever been cleaned in what, 10, 20? This Waffle is probably 50 to 20 years old. And, well, it probably hasn't got used in a while because it's got grit and grime. And I didn't take pictures beforehand. I actually was in the kitchen. I turned on hot water, and I was just scrubbing with a scrub brush. I was using soap. And I just stopped there for a minute. I was like, what am I doing? Why am I using this elbow grease? I'm not going to be... I got other things better to do than to do this right now. So I said to myself, Jimmy, let's just go ahead and mix up some sodium percarbonate, get a little baggie, put the waffle iron in there, and then just walk away for 24 to 48 hours. So what we're going to go ahead and do here, it's super simple. This video is going to be really quick. It's going to be really easy. That's the benefit of sodium percarbonate is we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix up some sodium percarbonate and put it in a little bit of water. That would probably what we're going to do is put a little less than a quarter of a cup here because you don't need very much in there. So 2 scoops, it'll be enough. And then we're going to mix it up and then we're going to pour it in. And that's really simple. We're going to use one of these zhuzhes. And what I love about these, you can use these zhuzhes for your tripurity blend, get it all shaken, zhuzhed, not stirred. You got to do it the Bond style. And just make sure it's all mixed up. That doesn't need to be 100% mixed up because over time, those little crystals, they're going to dissolve. And basically, we just want to go ahead and get all those in there. And we're going to just put water in there and then we're going to seal it up. And that's all we're going to do. And we're going to come back and you can already see the bubbles are already working. It's got the foam in there. And we're going to come back 24, 48 hours later. And we're going to see that all that gunk that was not removed by the hot water and all the scrubbing. But if I had thought about it at the beginning, I would have just skipped that step of pre-scrubbing. And I would just went straight to the sodium percarbonate and the water and walked away. And what's beautiful about this whole process is you're going to see here pretty soon that all the grunge and the grime and the things that have been there for 15, 20 years, they just going to float right to the top. And we're going to get as much water in there as we possibly can, so it's going to get all the cracks, it's going to get all the crevices, and that way we're not going to do all the work. The nature's going to do the thrusting of the bubbles for us, and we're just going to fill that thing to the top as much as we can. And as you can see here, the bubbles are working, the bubbles are just bubbling away, and oh, it's just working so well. Everything is reacting. The pH is about 9 to 11. And so you don't need gloves or anything like that. It's sodium percarbonate. It's just dehydrated hydrogen peroxide. And we got all the bubble technology. It's working here. And yeah, so it's looking good, looking great. Now remember with any electronics that you do, because you can do your blenders. If you got a blend tech that's just got grubby stuff in it, the pitcher, it's got all this stuff in it. You got your water filters or anything. You got carpet, anything like that. You just want to make sure that it dries thoroughly after you're done, especially electronics, so that way it doesn't create a short circuit and ruin your electronics. So if you, let's just say there was a fire or a flood or something like that, you got a restoration mitigation company, they're going to be coming in, using acids, using bases, using disrupted frequency technology to vibrate all that stuff. I went to a ribbon cutting one time for a chamber of commerce at one of the local restoration mediation companies, and I asked them, I said, is it safe to do electronics? And they said, absolutely, it's safe and secure to do electronics as long as you have them dry. Now they had these rooms that were like ovens, so it was really dry and really hot, and it dried all this stuff. But if you just put it outside in the sun, make sure it's got windy, or like this waffle iron, we don't use it very often, especially when it was dirty. But you just leave that there for a few days in the sun or in the wind, and it's going to dry right on out. And so as long as there's no more water in the electronic components, you're good to go. So this is Jimmy. I appreciate you watching this. And if you haven't got the comprehensive guide to explore the top 100 benefits of using sodium percarbonate, and you really want to explore the top 100 uses and benefits of sodium percarbonate, you want to go ahead and go to cleanbubbletech.com. And there's going to be a lot of the great things that you can learn about sodium percarbonate. The colors say bleaching without the bleach. You know what I'm talking about? It's going to remove the colors that you don't want, but keep the colors that are meant to be there. It takes away the stains. It's not toxic. It's a powerful cleaner, disinfectant. Very, very versatile. Eco-friendly. Super cost-effective. You can get your sodium percarbonate over at cleanbubbletech.com. It's effective in cold water or hot water, which is great. So you save energy. You don't have to use your hot water. It works on mold and mildew. It's biodegradable. It's effective in hard water. It deodorizes. It's environmentally friendly. It's not corrosive. It's wonderful for pre-soaking, heavy soiled laundry. It's effective for anything pets. If you haven't seen the vacuum video that we did, this client of ours, they vacuumed up poop and puke from this dog, and it stunk. This vacuum, turn it on, heat it up. Oh, it's not something that you want to be around. Trust me, to clear a room. It does it now. It smells fresh. We put some lavender flowers in the filter, and it's just smelling so beautiful. At disinfecting, deodorizing, you can sanitize toys or stuffies that you got for your little ones. You can put it on floors or use it in your bathroom, use it in your kitchen, use it on gym equipment. You got those funky socks, you got those funky shoes, you're out there, you're playing frisbee golf, playing soccer, you got your cleats on, and they just, those things can clear out a room. Well, you just go ahead and use some sodium percarbonate. So if you don't have sodium percarbonate, washing soda, baking soda, borax, vinegar, go ahead and go to cleanbubbletech.com. If you want the everything, it'll help with the detoxification process on the outside of your body. And if you want the inside of your body detoxified and cleansed, then you want to go ahead and get the Tri-Purity blend. And that'll help you a teaspoon in the morning, tablespoon at night, 8 ounces of water. Use one of those zhuzhers, or put it maybe in a jar, shake it, not stir. That's what James Bond says. Now you know why. And get your Tri-Purity blend. So anywho, this is Jimmy. I'm gonna go be cleaning right now with the Bubble Tech team crew. We're gonna go out. We're gonna be cleaning, maybe for you. If you can offer, we can't refuse. We'll be at your house, your home on a weekly basis, maybe monthly basis. Get a bunch of your friends, your family, your coworkers, your colleagues. Get us over there. Let's have a cleaning party. Teach about non-toxic lifestyle, how to reclaim the water, get the chlorine and the fluoride out of the water, so we can drink safe water that nature intended, that's structured. Got the motto going on. Water is alive. It's the frequency of love and hope and appreciation, and just it's the way that Mother Nature wanted to. Alive, living, vital, vitality. Oh, it's got that. Forever young. Jimmy's forever young. So speaking of Jimmy, I'm out, and I'll be smiling all day. Before I go, just want to ask you to please like, subscribe, comment down below, maybe share it on your socials. And you got any mama's groups, you got any dad's groups, you got any community groups, you want to buy this in any associations, meetings, that's great. Share it with them, and go ahead and head over to cleanbubbletech.com to get your comprehensive guide to the top 100 benefits of using sodium percarbonate today. Jimmy's out.